guys, Antonio Diarmiento here from Howlin' Hammer DIY Adventures with Paws. Today we're in my client's shower, but we are not taking a shower. Already did that. So she's been complaining that she has been having a lot of water leaks from her shower head. It doesn't shut off all the way. The hot and cold is not very accurate. And that's generally an indication that the cartridge has gone bad. Usually they go bad after a couple years. And I'm going to show you the procedure on how to replace that cartridge. Okay, the tools you're going to need step by step. And most importantly, shut the main off. That's your number one task for this job, okay? Because then you're gonna be taking a shower. So let's get into it right now, okay? Put on your tool belt and let's get on an adventure. Part 2 of shower repair. Okay, gang, Antonio back here. Tools you will need today for the shower cartridge removal. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or drill, a pair of channel locks, a pair of needle nose, possibly a flathead screwdriver, a 1222, which, well, 1222 Moen cartridge replacement, a pulling tool if you need it, and a 7/64 hex wrench, which I will need for this application. All showers are different, but most importantly, I want you to understand that you do want to buy the Moen 1222. Do not buy any other brand, because you get what you pay for. Okay, so that's our lineup today, and we're going to get started. So first off, guys, I want to take that screw out. Take off the faceplate. This is all of our housing. All came off at once. But you have your limit housing here. You have a sleeve and our faceplate. So we have a little pin in here we want to take off. You use your pliers to pull that out. That holds the cartridge in place. Put that aside. Now, if we're lucky, we can pull this out, or we can use our cartridge pulling tool. And we got lucky. As you can see, this one is actually pretty old, and it's been water damaged, etc. Part 3 of shower repair. Okay guys, welcome back. Here is the new cartridge that we are going to put in. Make sure that you put the HC facing up, okay? We already greased it up. It comes with a pack of grease right here. Grease up the sides, clean this out real good with a rag or a cleaning brush. Okay gang, we have got the cartridge in place. There is that set pin that should be seated in there. HC is facing up. Okay, we're going to turn the water back on and make sure that we have no leaks and make sure everything's working okay before we put this back together. Part 4. Okay, gang, we are putting the cover plate back on. Just snug those up. Not too tight. Then we put our limiting cartridge in there for the hot water. And last but not least, we put the handle back on with our set screw. success. We have done it. We have conquered the problem we had. We have no more leaks. The water is back on. Everything's put back together. We have hot and cold. Everything is running real smooth on the diverter handle. So my client's gonna be super happy. So yeah, great adventure, right? We had no mishaps. Anyway, this is Antonio from Hal and Hand. We are signing off. Give us a thumbs up or a paws up. And subscribe to our button or our YouTube channel. And listen, we got to thank our crew that was on site here, you know, helping us out, doing an inspection thoroughly, you know, Taco and Fabio. So without them, you know, we could have a lot of problems. But anyway, thanks again for joining me. And we're going to see you on the next adventure. And hopefully it's somewhere where it's a little more dry. All right, time out. Ciao.